Plangora.
Hello, fellow alchemists. Welcome back. I wanted to do a little short series videos about four comprehensions. Now, four comprehensions, I mean, they seem pretty simple, but you can actually do quite a lot of things with them. And so in this video, what I wanted to show is that you can actually combine things and make something like a permutation, right? So if we take a look over here, of course, typical, you can go through here, you can basically loop through any kind of enumerable, right? So what I can say is something like, like I have a number, I have a list with just 1 and 2 inside, and I can just output that number. Something like that. Very simple stuff, right? Everybody knows about this. But imagine if, say, you're making a card game, right? And you wanted to generate all the different cards. So I'm going to do this very simply, right? So what you can do is you can say, okay, I have my suits, right? So of course the suit would be something like, hearts, clubs, spades, etc. And then what you can do is you can just tag on another one. So you can say, you have your number over here. And just to make this simple, I'm just say from 1 to 9, because of course there's no 10. And then we can go ahead and just generate. So like we have our number of, and then your suit. Sorry, my num up suit. And you see over here, I just generated basically a good chunk of my cards just by specifying, okay, how many suits I have and then the numbers. And then over here, I just use the range to generate all that because, of course, it's an enumerable. You just loop over it. And so you can see something like this is extremely useful, right? If you wanted to generate like permutations, right? Different kinds of combinations from different generators. It'll just generate everything for you. Yeah, you can do this kind of stuff with four comprehensions. I don't think there's a limit for how many you can do. You can basically just kind of keep going. And so I thought this is really, really cool. I can imagine where this would be useful, right? If you're generating cards like this, or you're generating different types of pairs, etc. So I think this is quite useful. And I really wanted to show you guys in case you didn't know about this, because four comprehensions have a lot of features. And like I said, I'm going to be going through them. So please subscribe so you don't miss all these different tips and tricks, because maybe you've never seen them before. Thank you so much for joining us. I'll see you guys next time.
Plangora.